everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to get free rewards in Modern Combat 5 Blackout. If you want to get free rewards in Modern Combat 5, first of all launch open the game on your device, and then under activities list at the top left you will be able to find some options. Tap on gifts over there, and to get your free rewards go ahead and tap on one of these options, and after watching the ads you will get free rewards. Another way you can get free rewards is to check your mission tab and focus on completing the daily and weekly objectives. Make sure that you open the game every day to claim your daily login rewards. These often include credits, weapon parts, or XP boosts. You can also join or create a squad in order to unlock additional perks through squad missions or rewards, and by using these methods, you can easily earn free rewards in Modern Combat 5. Getting rewards in Modern Combat 5 free is all about staying active and making the most of the opportunities the game offers. With patience and dedications, you can unlock powerful gears and upgrades that keeps you competitive without needing to purchase anything. So having said that, I would like to say goodbye to you. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.